The Kenya Revenue Authority KRA has intercepted a container at the Port of Mombasa with two luxury vehicles which were not declared by the importer in yet another tax evasion attempt that would have seen the taxman lose 4 million shillings. Scanned images of the container showed it was loaded with two Mercedes-Benz vehicles, while documents stated that the container was loaded with assorted humanitarian and hospital donations. The vehicles arrived at the port on board MV Delmas Qatar on September 12th last year, and KRA Southern Regional Manager Nicholas Kinoti says the container was imported from the United States and was on transit to Uganda. Documents further indicated that the consignee was Wajo Memorial Medical Center in Mbale, Uganda, but authorities will involve Interpol to investigate and verify the information. In October last year, KRA intercepted two Range Rover vehicles at the port with a duty value of 15 million shillings. KRA says it will continue being vigilant to eliminate cartels.